The query window is opened by pressing the Query button on the menu. This window allows us to create and test queries on the tables and the views in the database. In order to create a new query, we press the New Query button and then give the query a unique name. Type in the query statements in the statement area. Execute the statement by pressing the Execute Query button at the top. The system will display the result of the query in a new window for the user's review. The second method is to create a query by using the Query Wizard tool. In order to do that, first we create a new query and give the query a unique name. Then we press the Query Designer button, where the system will open the Query Designer window for us. In the Tables area of the Query Wizard, we can display the list of tables and the views in the database by pressing the Add Tables button. We select the tables that we want to query on by highlighting and adding them to the area. Next step will be to select the columns that we want to have in our query. In order to do that, we select the columns from the table and drag and drop them in the selection field area of the form. Next step will be the selection criteria for the query. Drag and drop the columns in the database that we want to filter on into the Where field, expression area, and then add your conditions to it. At the end, we can set up the order of the data to be displayed by dragging and dropping the column that we want to sort on from the table to the Order By field expression area. As you can see, any action that is performed in these areas, the system creates the appropriate query statement for it. After we are done with our query, we will press the Execute Query button to test our query. The system will display the result of the query in a new window. The queries created can be saved for later use by pressing the Save button. All the saved queries can be used again to display the data.